Okay, guys, here's lesson 6.8, addition with two-digit numbers composing hundreds. For our step in, ticket sales for a new movie are shown in this table. So here's the table right here. Whoa. The movie's called The Sleepy Dragon, and there's two sessions, one in the morning and one in the evening. Ticket sales, for the morning session, there were 52 ticket sales, and for the evening, there were 86 ticket sales. What can you tell about the sales? Do you think that more or fewer than 150 tickets were sold in total? And how did you decide? So you just kind of look at those two numbers, 52 and 86, and make a quick guess. Is that more or less than 150? Ashley drew pictures to help. She drew 52 right here, represented with tens and ones, and 86 here represented with tens and ones. And then she drew them all together, grouping all those tens together and all the ones together. How many tens blocks are shown? So if we add 8 tens plus 5 tens, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 13 tens, and there are 8 ones. So a couple of different ways we could find out the total. We could look at those 13 tens. 13 tens is the same as 130. Then I could add 130 and 8 to get 138. Or I could regroup the tens to make 100. Then I could add 100 plus 30 plus 8. So let's do that regrouping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 tens, which is 100. And then we have 3 tens left over, which is 30. Whoa. And then there's 8 ones. And this is also the expanded form of 138. So 100 plus 30 plus 8 equals 138. For the step up, we're going to do the same thing. Add the tens blocks, then add the ones blocks, and write an equation to match. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. We're going to do the tens and the ones, and then we're also going to stack them and use that traditional algorithm. So we have 53 represented here and 61 here. So we're going to put this equation 53 plus 61. And then we're going to draw those tens and ones again, but put the tens together and then the ones together. So 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's a total of 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to make 100. So we're going to count 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And change colors. So there's our 10 tens. So that gives us 100. And then there's 10 left over. So we have 100 plus 10 plus 4. It's going to give us 114. Okay, and the next page, do the same thing, but before we go there, I'm going to show you that stacking method. So if we're adding 53, sorry, it's so messy, plus 61, we're going to add the ones first. 3 plus 1 is 4, that's the ones place. And then 5 plus 6 is 11. So 5 tens plus 6 tens, so 50 plus 60. That's 11 tens, or 110. So we get 114. On the next page, you have more equations to complete, and you're given lots of space here. You can either do the stacking, or you can draw out the tens and ones. You could use a number line, whatever method works best for you guys. So there's some more here, and then the step ahead. Grace earned $95 in 1 month. She put the money into her savings account. She now has $142 in her savings account. How much money was in her account before? Show your thinking. So give that a try, guys, and let me know if you need help.